Hello students, this is history question paper class 12th and let us discuss the answers. Subject code is 027 and I want to show you the question paper. So this is the question paper and question paper code number is this one, set 4 and series this one. Those who have this question paper, quickly open your answer. Of course, this question was very easy. All of you have got the answer. I'm very happy. And let us see the answers and you can match with your score. So, question number 1, I think you know the answer. Just I'm giving tick mark. You can match with your answer. Question number 1, 2, 3 serial I'm telling you. And here question number 4 also. Question number 5 is there. It's very easy question and interesting question. Question number 6, I am leaving on you. You comment me in comment box and immediately I will answer you because some answers I want from your side. Question number 18, I am leaving on you. You comment me the answer I will be giving in the comment box very soon. Then 19 also here in front of you. Then it is coming 20, question number 20. Next 21 also here. Next 22 also here. It's very interesting questions and this is all basic level questions only. So this is 24, 25 also here. Question number 26, you know the answer. 27. Question number 32, you comment me, I will give you the answer. Similarly 33 also, I want your answer. And 34 also, I am leaving on you. You comment me, then immediately I will give you the answer. "36 also here, 37 also here, 38 also here, 39. I am waiting for your comment, then I will give you the answer. It's very easy question. And 40 also I want to give, but I want to give you some hints. 41, you know the answer. I think it is a repeated question. You can answer me. 42 also, I am waiting for your comment. 43, you know. 44 is in front of you. 45 also here in front of you. If any explanation you want, you can ask me. I will give you the explanation also. Next, we are going to section C, and section C is not difficult at all. Directly this passage is given. After reading the passage, you can find out the answer. Anyway, this is very easy questions and you can find out the answer and you can comment me or if it is difficult for you to find out the answer, and definitely I will answer you in the comment box. So you can see this question and already the question paper in your hand. You comment me 49, 50, 51 and 52. These questions you can comment me, or if it is difficult then definitely will answer you. Similarly, one more passage also here. You can read this one and you can answer these questions. 53, 54, 55, 56 also here, 57, 58. Yes. Next we are coming to 59 and 60. Here the map is given. I want to show you the map here. Where is the map? Yes. So this is the map you can see, and you can see here it is given question number 49A and question number 60B, it is given there, and we have to find out the answer. So I want to show you here. This is for visual impaired candidates, and this is you can see here 49 and here D. Okay, so you can comment me if you are getting the answer. I will definitely reply your comment. Goodbye. Once again, we'll meet in the next video. Take care.